Let us learn how to rearrange slides now. You can rearrange the slides of a presentation in normal, outline and slide sorter view. Let me first tell you about in normal view. Open the presentation in normal view. In the slides navigation pane, select the thumbnail of the slide and drag it to its desired position. Now let me tell you about in slide sorter view. Open the presentation in slide sorter view. Select the thumbnail of the slide to be moved and drag it to its desired location. Let me give some important tips. To move to the next slide in the slideshow view, either click the mouse button or use the Enter or Spacebar key. To quit the slideshow, press the Escape key on the keyboard. In outline view. Open the presentation in outline view. Select the thumbnail from the outline pane and drag it to the desired location. A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide. Let's learn how to work with slide outline view. The outline view is quite similar to normal view except that it provides a summary of each slide in the outline pane. You can do the following tasks in the outline view. Create presentation structures, edit text entries and rearrange the text on slides as needed. Hide or display text levels. Let us try the following activity which demonstrates the use of outline view. Create a new presentation. Select the outline view from the presentation views group on the View tab. In the outline pane, type Special Days for Special People next to the slide icon. Now press the Enter key. As you press the Enter key, a new slide appears. Type Mother's Day and press the Enter key. A new slide appears. Right-click at the cursor position and click on the Demote option. You will observe that the slide icon disappears and the text moves to one level lower. Type the text as shown in the figure and press Enter. Now right-click again and choose the Promote option from the context menu. A new slide appears. Repeat the above two steps to enter information related to Father's Day, Brother's Day, Sister's Day and Friendship's Day. Bring the mouse pointer right next to the slide icon. Right-click at cursor position and select Collapse option from the shortcut menu. It will hide the bulleted text relevant to the selected slide and displays only the slide title, whereas Collapse All hides the bulleted text for the outline of the entire presentation. Now right-click option and select the Expand option from the context menu. It will reveal the bulleted text relevant to the selected slide, whereas Expand All reveals the bulleted text for the outline of the entire presentation. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to convey new ideas and impart information effectively. The photo album is a feature that allows you to club your personal and business photographs together to use for a presentation. Ink Equations option helps you in adding math equations into your presentation. Comments are a great way to provide feedback to others about their presentation. The Smart Lookup feature allows you to find the information for the selected word or phrase on the web using the search engine Bing. Office 2016 provides you with another amazing feature that enables you to annotate with ink, to write notes, create drawings, highlight a key concept, and much more. Normal view is the main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. The outline view displays only the text on your slides in the outline pane. Slide sorter view displays a miniature view of all the slides of a presentation. Notes page view is used to include notes to your presentation. Reading view displays presentation as a slideshow that fits within a window. Slideshow view displays all slides in a presentation one by one on the screen.